A pellet waggler is a short, buoyant float designed to present a hook bait in the upper layers of the water and is typically used on those warm, sunny days in the spring, summer and autumn. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a simple and effective pellet waggler rig that's perfect for targeting carp and F1s on commercial fisheries. Let's get started. Before we start tying the rig, it's worth looking at the main types of pellet wagglers available. You've got loaded and unloaded models, and these are typically made from either foam, plastic or balsa wood. Pellet wagglers typically have a shorter, dumpier design compared to conventional wagglers. This design prevents the float from diving too deep on impact with the water, as well as creating a sound that can actually draw the carp towards your rig. To tie this rig, you will need the following items: a pellet waggler, some float stops, a waggler adapter, and some pre-tied banded hook lengths. Begin by threading one float stop up your main line, followed by your waggler adapter, and then 3 more float stops. If you are using an unloaded waggler, you need to add some weight to your line to correctly set the float. I'd recommend using something like Drennan waggler weights for this instead of split shot, as it makes it quick and easy to change the depth of your rig with zero risk of damaging your main line. Personally, I prefer to use loaded pellet wagglers as they cast better and they're quicker and easier to set up. It is now time to attach your hook length. I recommend using size 14 or 16 banded hook lengths, with 12 to 15 inches being the standard length used in pellet waggler fishing. There are 2 ways of attaching your hook length to your main line. The first option is to tie a loop in the end of your line. I recommend using the figure 8 loop knot. And then attach your hook length via a loop-to-loop connection. The second option is to simply tie a small quick snap swivel to the end of your main line and use this to attach your hook length. I like to use a loop-to-loop connection for attaching my hook lengths, as I believe that less weight on the line helps your hook bait fall more naturally through the water. The final step is to attach your pellet waggler to your rig using the waggler adapter. The pellet waggler rig is now complete. If you have any questions or your own advice on setting up the rig, please put them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of future uploads.